Yes. Yep, it's durian season again. Let's make some recipe of this. Today we're gonna do durian pizza. Making our durian pizza, we only use 5 ingredients: cooking cream, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and durian flesh. Of course, you need the pizza dough. Before we start cooking the cooking cream, we need to add some cornflour to thicken the paste. Now, let's start assembling all the ingredients to make our pizza. Yes, this is our homemade durian pizza. Wow! It's so creamy and so savory and sweetness perfect. This durian pizza is the best pizza that I've ever tasted. You all must try this. Wow! Please do subscribe and share if you like our pizza.